My name is Jim Vickaryous. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and today we're going to talk more about insurance insights. And the insurance insight we're going to talk about today is combined single limit policies. My advice to you is very simple on this. Don't get them. Avoid a combined single limit policy like the plague. Now, in many of our insurance insight videos, we've been talking about auto insurance for regular people like you and me. And oftentimes people have no idea what their coverage is. And it's something that's sold to you. You pay your premium and you get your insurance. You really need to know what your coverage is. Tell you a little bit about combined single limit insurance policies. So I'll give you an example. So basically, they cover everything for one combined single limit. So most combined single limit policies cover injuries that you may inflict on other people through a car wreck and property damage. So let's give a quick example. So let's say you're sold a combined single limit policy of $25,000. You get into a car wreck, you caused it. You completely total out and destroy the vehicle that you hit. Let's say that vehicle costs $20,000 to replace. Let's also say that you hurt the person in that car. They go to the hospital. They have $15,000 worth of bills. Well, guess what? If you take that $25,000 combined single limit that you purchased, you subtract out the $20,000 that your insurance company has to pay to replace the other car. There's only $5,000 left to pay the other person's bills. They had 15,000 in bills. You only have 5,000 more to pay them. So guess what? You're on the hook personally out of your pocket for $10,000. Now, the type of insurance you want to get instead of the combined single limit insurance is what's called split limit coverage. And this is what's typically sold. So, for instance, they'll sell you a property damage insurance policy separately. All right. So they would sell that to you and give you $25,000 for the coverage. They would sell a separate bodily injury limits policy, which would cover injuries to somebody else for $25,000. So in that case, for a similar premium, you'd end up having $25,000 to cover you for any injuries you cover for somebody else, and a separate $25,000 for the property damage. And that would be a split limit coverage policy. That's the coverage that you want. That's the kind of policy you want. Combined single limit policies are often sold to bring the premium down. That way, there's less insurance. It sounds kind of neat. Combined single limit policies, avoid them like the plague. Again, Jim Vickaryous for today's Insurance Insight. Thank you.